How to fix Traktor not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script you can use to uninstall Traktor on Mac. 1. Open TextEdit or any other plain text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following code into the editor, #bin/bash. #stop Traktor processes sudo killall -9 Traktor #remove Traktor components sudo rmrf/application/Traktor.app sudo rmrf/library/application /support/native/instruments/Traktor *sudo rmrf/library/audio/MIDI/devices/Traktor sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.native-instruments.Traktor sudo rmrf/library/receipt/Traktor sudo rmrf/user/$, whoami /document/native-instruments/Traktor sudo rmrf/user/$, whoami /library/application /support/native-instruments/Traktor sudo rmrf/user/$, whoami /library/application /support/Traktor sudo rmrf/user/$, whoami /library/caches/native /instruments/Traktor sudo rmrf/user/$, whoami /library/preferences/com.native-instruments.Traktor sudo rmrf/user/$, whoami /library/save/application /state/com.native-instruments.Traktor.saved-state. Echo Traktor has been uninstalled. 3. Save the file with the name and the .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_Traktor.sh, in the directory of your choice. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the file using the cd command. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_Traktor.sh and pressing enter. 6. Enter your administrator password when prompted. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, Traktor will be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.